I'm here today to walk you through managing your financial connections in Copilot. Copilot works with data aggregators we trust to securely connect to and receive your financial data, like transactions, account balances, and holdings data, so you can see all of your financial life in one place. So let's get started. In the iOS app, tap Add across from the appropriate account type section in the Accounts tab to add a new account. In the Mac and iPad apps, you can tap on the plus button next to Accounts in the header. You can also select the Add a New Connection button from the Manage Your Connections section in Settings. Plaid is our primary data aggregator, but if you don't see all of your financial institutions supported in the Plaid search or are unable to connect to the Plaid option, you can use this flow to search for additional aggregator options for connection. If you're unable to find your institution in the search or run into any issues connecting to all the available integrations for your financial institution, you can contact our customer success team via the in-app chat, and we're happy to help troubleshoot. After you've connected all of your accounts in Copilot, if you later open a new account with an institution you already bank with, you might need to grant permission to share the new account data with Copilot. Under the net worth chart in the Accounts tab is a section titled Connections Needing Attention. If a connection has new accounts available to add, you'll see the institution's name and Found New Accounts below. You can tap the Re-Verify button to the left to re-enter your credentials and give sharing permissions for additional accounts. If you choose to tap the X option instead, the notification will be cleared, but you can still access your connections management under Connections in the Settings section. If given the option to select or deselect accounts to be shared in this flow, please make sure to leave all boxes checked for all accounts already linked in Copilot so we can continue to receive updates for those accounts in addition to the new ones. Finally, if you're sharing your Copilot account with a partner or simply have more than one set of credentials for the same institution, you'll need to create one connection per set of credentials to that institution. In this process, we do share an informational pop-up when you attempt to connect to an institution you already have a connection with to help prevent you from accidentally creating duplicate connections. But if you're creating a new connection for a different set of credentials, you can simply tap Add a New Connection to continue. And as always, if you're running into any issues connecting or seeing expected updates for your accounts, please contact us. We're happy to help. You can always check out our in-app support to view a full library of our Help Center articles and video resources, upvote feature requests, and contact our customer success team directly with any questions.